Questions on the homework before we go to the quiz?
The only issues I had were the different symbols, but that was about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's pray and do this then. Number 3 says, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? A and B, the last one.
Okay, so number 4 says the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is isn't it t-score again?
I think so. F statistic does not look familiar to me at all.
Yeah, I don't think it's F statistic. Okay, then two samples are independent if
It would be the second one, wouldn't it?
knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, now the fun math ones.
Oh, joy. Okay.
Sorry, it's going to take me a second to get this stupid program open.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I guess I should have done that before. I was hoping that we wouldn't have to use it.
I know, I always hope.
But it's not as hard for Darby because she actually bought the actual program for real.
Well, I hit
You
mine.
didn't,
What, Darby? Sorry.
you didn't buy your guys's?
No.
There was an option that you could get it for free. But you have to do this like weird thing where you like connect with the computer system of BYU Idaho and then steal theirs basically.
Oh. Yeah, no, I just bought it. I'm not going to deal with that. But the issue is finding it on my computer.
Well, there is that.
And... Freak. Where is it?
How do I do this? Dang it. How do you... I don't remember how to do it on SPSS. I always forget.
How to do what?
Just find the things.
Well, if you want to be a little more specific, I can probably help you.
Number 6, basically.
Here's what I'm confused about. All the ones they gave us yesterday were all in one list.
Really? I thought they were in 2 yesterday.
Well, there were, but you had to, like, break them up into 2 lists. Anyway, you need to go into...
I don't analyze.
Well, first you have to do the transform thing.
Oh, right.
Where you divide them up into 2 groups, I think.
But they're already in 2 groups.
Right, that's what's using me, so do we.
I thought that, like, automatic recode was when you have, like, the letters or whatever.
Okay, so we're not doing automatic recode then?
I don't think so.
Come on.
So then are we doing the difference and then finding the everything from the difference of those two, or what?
I don't think so because it's not the matched pairs because the other one doesn't rely on the other one.
Right.
Let me see. But then if you go to like compare means independent sample test, that's for the grouping variable and then the test variable.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pretend like they are one list. I'm gonna assign them a number each. And try it that way. That's the thing that frustrates me a lot of times is we do one thing in the homework and then we get different stuff in the quizzes, and I don't understand. Alright, so I put them all in one list, then I assigned them each a number, and then I just ran it like we did yesterday at the homework, and I got 37.996.
For the degrees of freedom.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, I'm getting there.
You said 37.996.
Yeah. What'd you get, Joel?
I haven't gotten anything because I'm still like, I don't know. Not sure what to do. So we have to make them into one list?
I don't know. That's what I'm guessing. I mean, that's how all of the things we did yesterday were.
Wait.
But then look at question 7. It's asking for the sample standard deviation for just list 2.
Let's do.
Well, it should give you. Oh, freak. I don't know.
I guess maybe if you run a...
computer is frustrating me.
What?
Sorry, it's just frustrating me. Because every time I try to put them in, it keeps on saying it won't let me continue, and it's. So after you gave them each a number, you just went into the analysis and did the independent sample t-test?
Yeah.
What do you mean by like give them a number? How do you do that, I guess?
So I just made a second column, and for all the prices from the first office, I just put a 1 next to them. And then all the prices for the second dental office, I put a 2 next to them. In BARTs, too, basically.
Oh, okay.
I literally just manually put them in there so that they were assigned a group.
Okay, let's try that. It still won't let me continue.
That's so weird. Have you ever had that problem before?
Yeah, I was having some issues with it last night. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my computer, but it's not letting me input the data.
So weird. Have you tried going in and back out?
Yeah, let's try.
How about you, Joel? Are you getting anywhere?
Making them like you did. Working
Okay.
on.
I really hope I'm not leading you guys astray like a false prophet, but that was just my guess of what to do.
Well, I mean, that's how, like, we were showed how to do it, so I don't know like, any other way to do it.
Right.
Okay, so then analyze, compare means, independent sample. Okay, I did it. I'm proud of myself.
Okay.
Still won't let me put it in.
You're doomed.
I don't know if I'm just doing something wrong, or apparently I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video on how to do it.
Alright.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
That'll be close. Okay, so should we just move on?
Yeah, we can.
are you getting the same answers, Joel?
I got, so for the degrees of freedom, 37.996. And then for what is the sample standard deviation of list 2, I got 206.637.
What?
No.
I got 0.506. But I just ran a sample standard deviation of just that list in Explorer.
Hang on. What'd you get for the test statistic?
The test statistic?
For
I
number
got
8?
negative 0.434.
Okay, that's what I got too. So that's close. And then for number 9, the p-value, 0.333.
I got 0.333.
Okay, that's what I got.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now we just have to figure out where we went wrong.
On 7, you mean?
Yeah, because what I did, so when you do them both, when you do the independent one,
Yeah.
Like it shows the group statistic, and it shows like code 1 and code 2, and then it shows the standard deviation. Do you see that?
No, hold on.
Okay.
So you're saying where are you seeing the standard deviation?
So do you see where it says like the group statistics? It's like right above where like the t-score is and the.
Oh yeah. Okay, and you got 206.
Yeah, 0.637.
Okay.
Isn't that what it is, right? Or no?
I guess I didn't know, so I just ran list 2 by itself. Oh, you know what? No, you're right. You're right. I know what I did, and it was really dumb. So.
Okay, cool. Did you get them all, Darby?
What was number 7 again?
Number 7 was 206.637.
Okay, so let's go over the answers again. 6 was 37.996.
Yeah.
7 was 206.637.
Mm-hmm.
8 was negative 0.434.
Mm-hmm.
9 was 0.333.
Yep.
And 10 was, we didn't, fail to reject.
Fail to reject, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we're sure it's fail to reject and not reject like yesterday, or 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, failed to reject.
Fail to reject.
Okay. And then 11's also going to be failed to reject, correct?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm going to start working on this next one then.
Yeah, too. Okay, so if you read the question, in the quiz it's backwards. She says the first data set represents the number of times freshmen in Utah cook, but she has Utah listed as 2.
Oh, great.
So this could be interesting. So should we go by the question, or what's next to the data?
I'm going to go with next to the data, I think.
Okay.
It doesn't say anything about individual. If you look down at the questions, it doesn't say anything about the individual
You're
groups.
so smart, Darby.
Okay.
Good point.
Program, so it's like I might as well look ahead.
So for the test statistic, I'm getting 0.845.
Yep, that's what I got.
And on number 12, we didn't talk about it, but we're all in agreement. U1 is not equal to U2.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And then the p-value, I'm getting 0.410.
Yep. So then we would fail to reject.
Yep.
And then, so for the confidence interval, I got negative 2.204 and then 5.137.
Yep.
That's what you got.
Negative 2.204 and 5.137.
Okay, sweet. Did you get all those, Darby?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
Should we submit?
I guess.
I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous.
We did good.
Ah,
Sweet.
lot better than Tuesday.
Now I'll probably go fail the personal homework quiz, but at least I got the 100 on this.
I do super good here with you guys, and then it's like I freeze up when I get there. It's funny.
Oh, man.
All right.
Okay.
Well,
Well,
fun.
good job, guys.
Yeah.
So next Tuesday at 7:45, or is it
Yep.
7:30? I don't remember which one it is.
7:45 is what we've been doing.
Okay.
Okay. Good work, guys.
Okay,
Hey.
you guys can now talk about the homework.
Oh, yeah, I had that question for you, Jill.
Yeah.
See you guys
Bye.
Tuesday.
See you, Darby.
So, Joel, I kept getting zeros for the p-value. Is that what you got when you were doing?
Yes.
And I was like, this can't be right. They're all just zeros. And I
Yeah,
didn't understand why.
All of mine were zeros.
Yeah. Okay. Well, at least I'm not the only one.
Nope, you're good.
Okay. Well, I'll see you on Tuesday. Have a good one.
All right, you too.